I wanted to be an outdoor instructor, so instead of doing an academic course, I was too young to go straight into the instructing world, so I decided to do a vocational course at college. I've had pretty good grades throughout my years in college, so I finished my first year with distinction style, and this year hopefully I'll finish with good grades again. I know I'm quite a very involved sort of student, so I'm the student union president in college, and I do lots of extracurricular activities as well, which sort of make me really busy, so it sort of adds to my portfolio qualifications, which is really handy.
The key to Ebbi's success is that the answer is absolutely simple. It's hard work. She understands it. She knows that there are no shortcuts to success on these courses and through most things that she does in life.
The best thing about vocational qualifications is that they're so transferable, and they're really like, you can do a qualification in something, but then all the skills you learn in that are really transferable to another qualification and another area of work. So it's definitely the best way to go forwards in the working world, because you can just transfer all the things you've learned onto different pages of life.